good afternoon. So what we're going to do now is we're going to look at how current and resistance are related in a circuit. So we're going to have just a circuit set up here. You could be asked to design an experiment in an exam question that actually gets you to do this, to set it up and then talk through how you go about seeing how current and resistance are related in a circuit. So what I've got here then, this is my setup. We've got our power supply, which is currently set at 6 volts. I've then got our ammeter connected in series within the circuit. Okay, I have the component that we're going to be measuring the resistance of, which is a bulb, a filament bulb. I've then got this contraption here. So this wonderful contraption is a variable resistor, okay? And what that does is basically what it says on the tin. You can vary the amount of resistance that is going through the circuit, and so therefore you can vary the current that is going through the circuit. So as we go along, we're going to measure how much current is flowing through the circuit. We're going to measure the potential difference because we have our voltmeter attached in parallel for our component. And then we should then be able to do some resistance calculations afterwards. Okay, so I'm going to start up, and I'm starting up with my variable resistor being in this position here, which is the most resistance, so we should see a low amount of current. So flowing through the circuit at the moment, my current reading is 0.24, and my potential difference reading is 0.18. You will also notice that the bulb is not lit up at this point in time. So I'm just going to move my variable resistor a little bit more and allow slightly more current to go through. Okay, and so we've now got 0.30 amps going through, and we have a potential difference of 0.25. So I'm once again going to increase the amount of current going through, so I'm decreasing the amount of resistance in the circuit. So I've now got 0.38 amps and 0.36 volts running through. I'm going to change it one more time. So I've now got 0.56 amps and 0.86 volts. 2 more and then we're done. So I've got now going through 0.66 amps and 1.56 volts, and you'll hopefully see the filament lamp is starting to glow. And one more reading. Okay, so we've now got 0.86 amps and 2.89 volts, and you can see that the filament bulb is now bright. So what we're now going to do is we're going to work with those figures to do some resistance calculations.